The fiber bypass module is a key part of a bypass switch, which offers failover protection for inline network devices or security tools like firewalls and intrusion prevention systems. The bypass module is available in dual-port and quad-port versions, supporting single-mode or multi-mode at 1.5G, 10G, 40G, and 100G. In case of power failure, the optical relay in the bypass switch keeps network traffic running without interruption. It can be set to fail open or fail closed to suit different needs. The bypass module sends heartbeat packets through two ports. If a failure occurs, e.g., crash, fault, power loss, it redirects traffic around the tool to keep the network running. This allows device removal or replacement without downtime. When power or backup is restored, the heartbeat detects it and switches traffic back to the inline tool.